My friend looks like a baby, and today...
Yep, that is me.
Hey Caillou, today's the big day. It's time to transform ourselves, so that's why we came to the Smile Hair Clinic.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Welcome, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Caillou. I think today is a big day for you. Are you excited?
He's excited, a little bit nervous, but he'll be okay.
Perfect.
I planned for the future, so even if you lose that hair, I want to keep the top of the scalp with nice and dense hair, so you can always use the sides and the back faded, so you will look very nice and good again.
Yep, this is exactly what I wanted.
So that's the plan. Let's go. After this point, you will only lie on your back and heal properly for me for 15 days. And hopefully you will be more than happy.
Yep, it was fantastic, and this is only the beginning. We did it, Caillou. Today's the end of the first day. Let's go back to the hotel and rest up. Okay, Caillou, it's time to rest. Good morning, Caillou. Today's the post-op care day. Let's go. And now it's time to learn how to take care of our hair because the results are hidden in the details. Wow, I can finally see the new me. Caillou, are you excited too? Today is the first day of the renewed and improved me.